It was all of us agreeing to be together and to just commit.
Angelina Jolie wasn't successful in removing Judge John W. Oderkirk from her and Brad Pitt's ongoing divorce. A source tells us that the judge will be presiding over the case as the former couple prepare for their custody hearing. On August 7th, Angelina asked for the removal of Judge John W. Oderkirk, claiming that he has had a business and professional relationship with Brad's attorneys.
And we are a family, and we will always be a family. And we will get through this time and hopefully be a stronger family.
Well, as for Brad, he responded by accusing his ex of stalling the divorce proceedings and hasn't objected to the judge being on the case since 2017. In court documents, Brad's lawyers state that their children are the ones hurt the most since they continue to be deprived of a final resolution to these custody issues.
This is what 10 years of marriage will do to you.
The judge who presided over Brad and Angelina's 2014 nuptials and was one of only 20 attendees at their wedding, has 10 days to respond to Angelina's filing. But her lawyer tells Us Weekly, it is unfortunate that Mr. Pitt's team has sought to intervene ahead of Judge Oderkirk's response. One can only conclude that this is an attempt to obstruct or influence Judge Oderkirk's answer. Any delay in these proceedings is due to their zealous attempt to create an unrecognized special exception for their client's benefit.
And it makes me think, as a dad, what do I have to offer that's better than I had to my kids?
The news comes several weeks after a source told Us Weekly that the mom of 6 has been advocating for a reconciliation between Brad and their oldest kids, Maddox, Pax, and to a lesser extent, Zahara. However, a second source close to the family did tell us at the time, there's no sign this is true, but it would be great if it were.
It's the greatest thing I've ever taken on. I can't imagine life without it.
Back in June, Brad was seen leaving Angelina's LA mansion, with a source telling us they have continued to navigate a path forward.
So it's been a really beautiful journey.
The source added at the time that they're continuing regular visits, but there hasn't been a lot of progress in terms of resolving anything.